Hi friends, and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me today. We'll get to the word of the Lord and then we will get back to what I came to show you today. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like the video. And we're going to read the word of the Lord today. It's going to come from 1 Timothy chapter 2 verses 5 through 6. For there is one God and one mediator between God and mankind, the man Christ Jesus, who gave himself as a ransom for all people. This has now been witnessed to at the proper time. Thank you for joining me for the word of the Lord. Today I had some bags in my craft room that I did a haul on a while back, and I did not get a chance to show you what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with them, but I think I might try to make some little pouches, some little zipper pouches, but I don't know. So I got this lemon vinyl, and I think I got some of these before. These are two daisy vinyls that I really like. I also got this cherry one. I got that. And I think I got one of these before out of town, and it's like a clear one, and I really like that. I think I want to get a in the hoop zipper pouch file and make some zipper pouches in the hoop. And I also got some of this clearance jewelry that I got for 74 cents. And I think I got more than one of them, but I'm not sure yet. Here's another one. And I really like that. It kind of looks like the acrylic that I could cut out myself, but it was only 74 cents. I also got these, and they were $1.37. I got these. I'll turn them into a pair of earrings or maybe a necklace. It was $1. I mean, these were 74 cents. So I figured if I could sell them for $5, then I'd make a profit. And then I also got, let me see, I think I got two of these. I got two of these beads. These were really pretty. I really liked them. And I think I was going to turn them into some earrings. That's why I got two of them, so I can make sure that I have matches. And these were 99 cents a piece. And I really like these. And I think I'm going to keep these for myself. Turn these into a pair of earrings. Let's see. I think I'm going to turn these into a pair of earrings for myself. I really like that. And then I got another one. These were $1.37. So I might make a pair of earrings to sell as well. Oh no, I got another pair. Here's another one. And then I'm going to have to start listing some of these things in my Etsy shop. And then I also got these beads. These were $2.99, but I really liked them. So I got these. They were $2.99 clearance, but regular $11.99. And then that's my seam ripper. I must have been working on the project. Oh, here's another one of the little disc beads. Let's see. Oh, and then here is another one of the little vinyls. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. I got some remnant fabric. I thought that was pretty. And then I got some more satin. I got a lot of satin. If you use this for anything, let me know what you use it for. I'm thinking I have a lot of it, and I'm trying to figure out a project. I'm always so drawn to it. I'm not sure why. So there must be a project in me somewhere, because it keeps drawing me when I see these remnants. I just pick them up. So if push comes to shove at the end of the year, I think I'll make a bunch of big scrunchies and just maybe take them to a hospital or something, and just pass them out to people in the hospital for, you know, just to pin their hair back or something like that. I'm going to do something with them. And then also I had a bathroom break today at Joann's. I didn't get any remnants, but I did pick up a few things. I picked up this Stretch Magic. I have a bunch of beads from years ago, some pearls and stuff that I want to try to make some bracelets or something with. So I picked up this Stretch Magic cord. I hope it's the right kind because I really haven't used this before. And then I also picked up, well, I did pick up a couple of remnants. I take that back. I picked up these two remnants. And this one was $1.49, but I think it came to 38 cents, the girl said. Let me see if I can find the price on here. Yep, it was 38 cents. And then the other one was $1. Then this one was $1.16. And then I also got these Fairy Princess, and this was $2.05. And this is how much? This is 3/4 of a yard. And then I also picked up, they had their beads on sale, 4 for $10. So I picked up these ones. I really like these, and I have a lot of seed beads that I figured I could pair with these to make some earrings. And then I had these that I cut out some blue earrings on the Glowforge with some of my scrap acrylic that I turned into some pretty colors. So I think I'm going to pair some of these with that. And also this one, I really liked it. Excuse me. I really liked it, these beads too, so I think I want to pair them with something. And then this was the last one I got, and I want to pair this with something, or either just turn this into some earrings by itself. Oh, and then I have one more thing, and this I plan to make a tote bag out of. This was $4.99 a yard. It's 60 inches, and it was in the clearance part of the fabric. And this is it's not 100% cotton. It's like a canvasy fabric. That's what it is. This is like a canvas, but I really love the colors. And if I can try and get this on some wood, I think I will, because this will make some really cute earrings, some really cute big earrings. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like the video. If you've been following my series on making the quilt, we're almost at the end. I think I put up 2 or 3 more videos in that series. We have probably maybe 2 more videos to go, quilting the quilt and binding the quilt. And then after that, we will be done with that series. And yeah, so I hope you're enjoying that one. But until the next time, be blessed. See you later.